Want to speak English? It's okay. Let me show you. Hello, welcome back to Just in English. And today we are going to look at one common word in English, the verb have. Okay, let's look at the examples. I have 3 cats. Alright. I have 3 cats. So we say I have, you have, they have, we have. But we say she has, he has, and it has. So if the subject is he, she, or it, the verb have becomes has. Alright. I have 3 cats, and she has a dog. Alright. I don't have a dog. I do not have any dogs. Alright. I do not. I don't. We do not have. They do not have. You don't have. But he, she, it don't becomes doesn't, or do becomes does. So we say he doesn't have, he does not have, she doesn't have, it does not have. For example, I have 3 cats, but I don't have any dogs. She has a dog, but she doesn't have a cat. Alright? Alright, let's move to the next part of this lesson. When we talk about what we have, we will use these 2 concepts very often. The first one is possessive adjective. We use a possessive adjective before a noun. For example, I have 3 cats, so these are my cats. So mine is a possessive adjective. It comes before the noun cats. My cats. Okay, these are my cats. But we use a possessive pronoun to replace the noun. So for example, these are my cats. Mine is possessive adjective, right? But I will say these cats are mine. These cats are mine. So mine is a possessive pronoun. There is no other noun comes after the possessive pronoun. Okay? These are my cats, and these cats are mine. Okay? This is your key. This is your key. Your is possessive adjective, and this key is yours. Yours is possessive pronoun. Alright, another example. She has a dog, correct? So the dog is hers. Hers is possessive pronoun. And this is her dog. Her dog. Her is possessive adjective. It comes before the noun dog. Her dog. This is your key. The key is yours. This is her dog. The dog is hers. Okay? Alright, let's move to the last part of this lesson. When we talk about what someone or something has, we also use apostrophe. Alright, look at this picture. This is Lily, and next to her is her daddy. So instead of saying her daddy, we can also say Lily's daddy. Lily's daddy. So we use the apostrophe after Lily's name, right? Lily's name, I use that again, right? We use the apostrophe after the name. Lily's daddy. Lily's daddy is sitting next to her. Okay? Alright, this is me. I'm the son of my parents, right? So my parents have a son, and he is really handsome. So I could say, my parents' son is really handsome. Okay? My parents' son is really handsome. Okay? Alright, another example. Look at this picture. The dog has a ball. Okay? The dog's ball. The dog's ball is in his mouth. The dog's ball. We use the apostrophe after the dog. The dog's ball is in his mouth. Okay?